Good morning, students. This is the 8th video of the chapter Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. So far, we discussed the racial discrimination that was organized by Hitler, and we discussed that how Hitler created two important groups in his own country, desirable and undesirable, and how he treated the undesirables. Let us discuss what was the condition of women in his country. For that, we need to discuss one topic, the Nazi cult of motherhood. So, let us discuss how the mothers were treated in the country. Hitler did not believe in the equality of men and women. He completely believed that the men and women are not equal. I mean to say, first of all, he introduced racial discrimination and he introduced thereafter the gender discrimination also. He believed that men and women have different responsibility in the society and they are fit for different jobs or different tasks. In Germany, boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine, and steel-hearted so that they could fight against the enemy in the war. That is why boys were taught to be aggressive, masculine, and steel-hearted, and for that they were asked to play hard games like boxing and other sports. On the other hand, the girls were told that they had to become good mothers and rear pure-blooded Aryan children. So their main task was to give birth to young ones or the Aryan children. They had to look after the home and teach children about Nazi ideology. So basic task or the primary task was given to women in the country. The first task was to give birth to the Nordic Aryans or pure-blooded Aryans, and thereafter the main task was to teach them about the Nazi ideology. So in the home, they were considered the first teacher and they were asked to teach their children about the Nazi culture or Nazi ideology so that in the future they would become follower of Nazis. Whereas on the other hand, after that, girls were not allowed to marry Jewish boy. They were asked to maintain the purity of race. Girls were asked to maintain purity. They were asked not to go with the Jewish person or undesirables. They were asked to maintain their purity in the country. And thereafter they were asked to marry the Jewish person, no, not Jewish person, in fact non-Jewish person, or you can say pure Aryan group. And those who produced racially desirable children were awarded. Here the techniques of punishment and reward was introduced by Hitler. Those women who produced racially desirable children, or in other words Aryan children, they were awarded. In fact, they were encouraged to produce more and more children. Like a bronze cross was given those who produced 4 children, silver was given those who produced 6, and gold those who produced more than 8 children. So this is how he introduced the theory of punishment and reward. Those who gave birth to pure Aryan were awarded. They were given concession in movies, they were given concessions in beauty parlors, or many other facilities were given. So women who bore racially undesirable were punished. But on the other hand, the women who actually violated the order of Hitler were severely punished. Their heads were shaved and face blackened. After that, they were asked to leave the country. Some of them were killed also in a torturous manner. Some of them were exported to the concentration camps where they were killed. So the end were different, or you can say the double standard was there in the society for the women. Those who were following the instructions of Hitler, those who were going as per the guidelines of the Nazi were awarded, and those who produced children as per the instruction of the Hitler were also awarded like bronze, silver and gold medal. Apart from that, many other concession facilities were given. And of course, those who violated the rules, those who created problem for the Hitler or Nazi party, they were punished severely. And there was no way to get rid out of it. So this is how Hitler created discrimination that was not only racial in nature, but also he created gender discrimination in his own country. So this is how women were treated in the country at the time by Hitler and the Nazi group. So we need to understand that racial and gender discrimination was going on hand in hand or side by side in the Hitler's period. So this is all about in this video. Thank you so much.